Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this bodies design easily and clearly. And guys, this is a exhaust manifold design, and this is a 4 pipe and exhaust manifold design, and this body's design help of this 2D drafting is okay, and this is a 2D drafting is also available here. And okay, this is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is side view. All view are this also geometry is you can see here easily. And to discuss here one by one all point discuss here, and this body is final product is design here. Okay, and this body is a product, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And this is a looking very nice looking here. And all okay, isometric view is also available here. And this is a all this is a use a cell command is this cut here. And this okay, this is a very nice looking here, and all point is correct. Okay guys, this body is designed easily and clearly. And let's start here. This body is designed. Okay, at first click a part, and some setting is very important. And this use going to system option, and going to document property, and image quality is very high because this body is looking perfect. Okay, and this use at first this body is designed, and this is a center to center distance is 136 millimeter, and this inner diameter is a 72 millimeter diameter. This cutout and this big circle is 104 millimeter, and this circle is a 32 millimeter, and this cutout is 17 millimeter. And this is a angle is very important, 38-degree angle. Okay, at first select a plane is front plane, and use some reference line is drawing here. This line is very important because this body is designed. Okay, and two reference line is drawing here. Okay, and this line and this point is a coincident. Okay, and this line, and again press a control button and select this point and use a midpoint. Okay, this is a very nice, and align this angle is 38-degree, and this is a very important. And and this is a draw a bigger circle, and to a small circle is also the end is drawing here. Okay, and connect to line is a tangent, and tangent is very important because this body is drawing. Okay, and again select a line and draw this tangent. Okay, this is a very connect to this. Okay, and align a dimension. This distance between center to center is 136 millimeter, and this bigger circle is 104 millimeter, and this is a 32 millimeter. Okay, and align dimension is this center to this distance between 104 millimeter, and this diameter is 32 millimeter. and this bigger circle is diameter is 104 millimeter. Okay, and okay, and this circle and this circle is use a equal. Okay, but this point is a connect to tangent. Tangent is very important. Okay, this connect to this is a tangent, and again select this, and this is a tangent, and also this use a this is a tangent. Okay, okay, this point is a okay, and this use a 136 millimeter. Okay, this is a very nice. This distance is a 136 millimeter, and okay, all is perfect. And use a some trim command and use a power trim, and some extra portion is a delete here, and this is a delete here. Okay, and this also delete here, and also this is a delete here. Okay, okay, this is very nice, and click OK. Okay, and this extrude boss base is apply here, and okay, and this thickness is a 10 millimeter. Okay, this thickness is already selected here, 10 millimeter. Click OK. Okay, this is very nice, and this face is also sketch normal, and also draw a circle. Circle is this, and again a big circle, and draw a small circle is because this is a cutout. Okay, and at first click a both circle is press a control button is this both is equal, and this is a 72 millimeter, and this is a 17 millimeter. Okay, and this geometry is also drawing here. This is a cutout is a this is a 17 millimeter, and this is a 72 millimeter. Okay, and extrude cut is a through all, and this is a use a okay. Okay, and next is a this is a 1 because this is a 4. Use a linear pattern, and this distance between two center is 120 millimeter. 120 millimeter is correct. Okay, and select this sketch normal, and draw a circle. Circle is a center line because this is a reference. Okay, this is a very use, and click a horizontal. Okay, and use a exit, and use a pattern, and pattern is a use a linear pattern. Okay, select this. Okay, and this use a 4 pattern, and distance between is a 120 millimeter. Okay, and select a body. Click this, and direction is reverse. Okay, this is a perfect, and click OK. And this line is hide because this is a looking perfect. Okay, and isometric view is also this is a better. Okay, and next is a use a this is a drawing here, and this is a perfect, and this distance is a this center to this line is a 130 millimeter, and this point to this is a 106 millimeter. Okay, and this cutout is also 72 millimeter, and this 17. Okay, and draw a, then use, okay, this is a very important point, is this use a 171 millimeter is very important. This is a plane created here. Okay, at first use a top plane and okay, a top plane is select and use a plane created here, and 171 millimeter, this is a flip side. Click OK, and this use a perfect, and this sketch normal, and draw a center line. Center line is very important, and use a this between two distance, this point to this, and again select a center line, and distance of this midpoint is select here, and draw a vertical line. Okay, okay, this line and this also. Okay, this is a hide. Okay, and next is a draw select a polygon. Polygon is a 3 millimeter, 3 side is 3, and use this drawing here. Okay, and this is use a horizontal, and all 3 is select here, and use a construction line. This is a better, and construction line. Okay, and this line is extra, is delete here. Okay, and this line is also construction, and this line is also construction, and this is a construction, and this is use a very important, and draw a circle. This circle is drawing here, and again draw this two circle. Okay, and all two circle is drawing here, and this is a very important, and connect to this. This line is also tangent. Connect to this, and also connect to this, and this line is a okay. This line is delete here, and connect to this to this. Okay, this line is a not connect to this line to this is a tangent. Okay, and all line is this line is also connect to this line is also use a tangent, and this line is also tangent. Okay, and all press a control button, and all line is selected, and click relation is equal, and also 3 line is big circle. Okay, and select a 3 line is also equal. Okay, and next is align a dimension, and dimension is very important. This distance is 130 millimeter. This cutout is a 72 millimeter. Okay, 106 millimeter is this is a use a this to this. Okay, and align a dimension, and this distance is a 106 millimeter. 130 millimeter is perfect. And this point to select this 106 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and a big circle is a 70, radius is 17, means this is a 34 millimeter and 72 millimeter and 16 diameter, and this use a 16 diameter and this use a 34 diameter, and this circle is use a 72. Okay, and this use a tangent, and also this use a tangent. Okay, all is fully defined because this is a black color, means this is a fully defined, and all is correct, but some extra portion is delete here, and this delete is this. Okay, this is a delete here, and also this is a delete here, and this line is also delete here, and all is perfect. Click OK. And extrude boss command is use this thickness is this thickness 12 millimeter, and 12 millimeter is better, and exit. Okay, okay, this is a perfect, and perfect and correct, and next is a use a 3 line. Okay, all is perfect, and drawing this connect to pipe, and pipe is a distance, this length is 54 millimeter and this is a 114 millimeter, and two distance is perfect, and one point is missing here. This is a use fillet command, and this pipe is a use a 98 millimeter and this is a 56 millimeter. 68 millimeter is okay, and some sketch or drawing a 3D sketch. A line is drawing here. This point to select this. Okay, this is a perfect line, and also select a line. Line is this is a use this center connect to this, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a better. All is a perpendicular, all is this is use a vertical line, and also connect this line and connect to this to this. Okay, and some important point is also discussed here. Align a dimension. This dimension is a 104 millimeter, and this distance is this is a 54 millimeter. Okay, and two important point is a fillet command is use a 98 millimeter. First is this, and second is a 68 millimeter is this to this, and 2 is a very important, and this is a extra added here because this is a missing point, drafting. Okay, this is not available here, and 2 important point is okay, and exit, and again select this face sketch and drawing a this, and use a convert entities and exit. Okay, and use a swept boss base, and this profile is automatic select here, and this select a path is a this. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, this pipe is a connect here. Okay, next is also same, drawing a 3D sketch, and 3D sketch is a drawing here. Select a line. Line is a this connect, and also this is a perfect. This is a use a perpendicular. This use a line is a vertical line, and also select a this, and also connect. Select a line. This line is also vertical, and this is use a this, and also this line and connect to this line to, okay, this line to this, okay, this line is also delete here, and connect to this point to this, okay. Okay, and align a dimension. This this dimension is a 104 millimeter, and also this is use a 54 millimeter, okay. Okay, but this use a inward, but use a, this is use a, this center line, and this center line is perfect, okay. And some use a fillet is a 68 millimeter is this, and 98 millimeter is this, okay. 98, okay, not connect here because this is use a, not a, okay, okay, undo, and some line is a, this is use a, okay, this line is a drag here is this vertical because this line is a, okay, this is a connect to this, but this line is use a perpendicular, not drag here, delete here, this line is also delete here, but this line is drag here this, and align a this diameter is a 104 millimeter, okay, and also and fillet is used, okay, but this diameter, this use a 54 millimeter, okay, and fillet is used a 98 millimeter is this, okay, and 68 millimeter is this. The fillet could not be added because the specified radius, okay, radius is more, okay, 36, okay, and this use a some, this line is a delete here, and okay, this line is also delete here, and this line is also, and connect to this to, this line is not delete here, and use this, and this center is a, okay, okay, this is use this, okay, and again select this to this, connect to this, but some point is a, some extra portion is delete here, and align a dimension. This dimension is a 54, and this dimension is a 104, but this is a bigger, and 106 is perfect, okay, this also delete. okay, this is delete here. And undo, and this is a delete here, and okay, this is a use a 106 millimeter and 54. Okay, and some drag a center line, connect to this, and also this use a, okay, this is a, okay, and fillet is use a 9, this is use a 68 millimeter, and use this, and 98 millimeter is this. Okay, but some, okay, this is perfect, and correct, and also exit, and also use this sketch and drawing this, and convert entities and exit. This profile is created here. Okay, and swept boss base, and this profile is automatic select here, and this path is this, and okay, this is perfect, and two line is created here easily. And next is use again select a 3D line, and this is a copy, is both is this, and select a line and draw a this, okay, draw a this circle is this center, and distance is a, okay, press a tab, and this line is a connect to this, and use a this, okay, because, and this line is a both is a use a construction line, and this is a very very important. And exit and create a plane is a created here, and select this line, and this line is a, okay, this is a perfect and okay. And some use a mirror is this, select here, and use a first, second, both is a, and click okay. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. And also this is a hide, because this board is looking perfect. And also cell command is a thickness is 1 millimeter, and also select all and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect. But combine, use a insert and feature. I'm going to combine, and also use this, and select this to all is added here, and click OK. All body can OK added here, and click OK. Unable to create, OK, this is not perfect. And use a nickel is perfect. Okay, this material is apply here, and one point is also available here. This is all dimension in millimeter, and fillet is 1, and chamfer is 2 millimeter, and all is a chamfer is apply here, 2 millimeter 45-degree angle, and all side this is a use a chamfer. Okay, and also use this, and also use a this one by one because this is not use a multiple. Click OK and use a chamfer. Chamfer is this is a delete here, and use this OK, and OK, this use this edge OK, and fillet is also 1 millimeter is use this 1 millimeter, and select this to this, both face is select here and OK. OK, and also select this face and this face, both face is select here, click OK, and also this face is select here and use this face, click OK, and this face and this face is OK, and last is a remaining, click this face OK, this is a perfect, and this face and also this face is a OK. OK, all is perfect looking here. And OK, and guys, all point is discussed here perfect, and guys, I hope you will learn all process is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software, and this body is design here, and how to this body is design. And this body is a final product of a 4-stroke engine, and this is a crankshaft, and this is a piston, and this is a connecting rod, and this is a connecting rod also, and this is a connecting cap, and this is a pin, and all parts and assemble lecture is available here in this tutorial. And guys, you go to playlist and all lecture, all parts lecture, and all separate parts lecture, and also assembly lecture, and this body is motion lecture is all lecture is available here. And you go to playlist and this 4-stroke engine, click here, and all parts and assemble lecture is you can see here easily and clearly, and how to all parts separately it design easily and clearly learn here. Okay, today discuss here a connecting rod is very important lecture is discuss here, and how to this body is design. Okay guys, let's start here, and this body is design. Okay, this is a connecting rod, and how to this body is design here easily and clearly, and this body is a design very clearly and easily design here. Okay, all is a complete. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, at first select this part and click OK, and then at first select a plane is a front plane, and okay, at first select a two circle is first is a 33.8 millimeter and diameter, and second is 45, and this is a also two circle is drawing here, and first circle is 54 millimeter and second is 72 millimeter. Okay, all is correct. Okay, at first select this center point and draw a two circle is a drawing here, and again select this two circle is drawing this. Okay, and connect a center line. Okay, this is a perfect and center line is also a vertical. Okay, this is a correct. Mention any dimension. This dimension is a 33.8 millimeter is correct, and second is a 45 millimeter is correct. Okay, and also this is a 54 millimeter is correct and 72 millimeter is correct. Okay, delete here. Okay, 72 millimeter is correct. Okay, and this is a 202.5 millimeter is correct. Okay, and this is a correct. 202.5 millimeter is correct, and all is looking perfect. And at first this is a drawing here, and this line is a drawing. This 2 point is a 21 millimeter, and this angle is 6.5 millimeter is correct. And draw a line this connect to this. Okay, and at first select this point, and this circle is a coincident, and this is a mirror, and select a mirror is a correct. And mention any dimension. 2 point is 21 millimeter, and angle is a 6.5 is a correct. 6.5 is a okay, this is a correct. Okay, and this okay, this is a correct. Okay, and a line is drawing here and connect to this point to this, because this is a half portion and all other portion is a delete here. Okay, okay, this is a perfect. All dimension is this is a 33.8 45. Okay, all point is a correct, and then use a apply a extrude. Then at first select this and this. Okay, and this is a mid plane, and this distance is a 38. Click OK, and again select a plain white, and cartoon is apply here. Okay, and this sketch and extrude boss is apply here. This is a correct, and select a mid plane and click 19 is okay. This is a better. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, all is perfect looking here. Okay, and okay, and at first select a okay, this is a fillet point is a 22.8, and this is a 42, and 2 point is very important. And at first select this point, and 22.5 to 22.8 is a okay, 22.8 is a correct, and select again this side and click OK, and again select a fillet, and fillet is a 42 is better. 42 is correct, and select this point, and again select this. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, And next point is drawing here this oblong is this radius is 8.5 and this is a 92 is correct. And this face is sketch drawing a normal. Okay, and select at first select a center line. A center line is this. Okay, this to this, this to this is correct. And drawing a center point state slot is center point state slot is okay, this is correct. And mention any dimension. This dimension is this is 9. And okay, this is 8.5 is correct. And also this is this distance is okay, this 2-point distance is 92. Okay, all is looking perfect. Okay, 8.5 and this is 92. Okay, all is correct. Exit. And this is extrude cut. Extrude cut is this is 4.5. okay, 4.5 is correct. 4 point, okay, 4.5. okay, this is correct. Okay, and this is a both side. Then use a front plane and select a mirror, and mirror is this. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, all is looking perfect. And use a some fillet is a 1.2 is correct. Use a some fillet is a 1.2, and all is a this fillet and again this. Okay, and select a this and this. Okay, all is perfect, all is looking better. And one point is also discuss here, and this is a this. Okay, this is a 30 millimeter and this 76 millimeter, and this radius is 9 millimeter, and also this diameter is 9 millimeter is correct. And all point is a discuss here. Okay, at first select a plane is a this. Select a this face, and also this is a this diameter this is a 30 millimeter is correct, and this flip side is a better. And this plane is sketch normal, and use this center point state slot, and center point is this. And okay, this is correct. Okay, and mention any dimension. This dimension is 76. This radius is 9, and also use a circle is drawing here this, and also this is correct. And this circle and this circle is equal. Okay, and select this circle is 9. Okay, this circle is okay, this diameter is 9. Okay, this is perfect. Okay, and exit, and extrude boss. Okay, up to surface is this. Okay, and okay, and this plane is hide. Okay, and this sketch and offset. Okay, not offset, convert entities and apply a extrude cut. Extrude cut is a both side. Okay, correct. All extra person is remove here, and this body is a drawing correct, and all is a drawing perfect, and some use a this body color is apply here, and okay, this is a correct and perfect. Okay, and okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay guys, this body is perfect and all part is design here, and all this body is complete design here, and this is a perfect. Okay guys all. Okay guys, I hope you will learn this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed. And this is a final product of a spray nozzle, and this is a beautiful product is designed here. Okay, let's start here. This body is designed, and this is a final product of a spray nozzle, and this is a front view, and this is section view, and all 2D geometry is 2D drawing is designed here, and 2D drawing is created here easily. And how to this body is designed, all point is discussed here one by one. Okay, let's start here. At first drawing this is a 103 millimeter, and this is a 46 millimeter is this, and this is a 20 millimeter, and this is a 32 millimeter, and this is a 15.2 millimeter, and this length is 62 millimeter and 75 millimeter, and this is a 28 millimeter is correct. At first select a plane is front plane. Okay, drawing a line is a this, and this is a drawing here. This is a drawing, this point is a this. Okay, and drawing a this and this. Okay, a rough line is drawing, and this construction geometry, and this is a drawing here, and mention all dimension one by one. At first select a 28 millimeter, and this is a 103 millimeter, and this is a 46 millimeter, and this is a 32 millimeter, and this is a 20 millimeter, and this is a 62 millimeter and 75 millimeter. Okay, all relation is complete, you can see here easily. And at first select this point and drawing a this is a fully is a 28 millimeter is correct. Okay, and this is a 103 millimeter is correct, and this is a 18 millimeter, 20 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and this point, this is a, and distance is this is full is a 46 millimeter is correct, and this is a, and full is 32 millimeter is correct. And select this line to this point is a 62 millimeter, and again select this line to this point is a 75 millimeter is correct. Okay, one point is a this point to this line is selected and 15.5. okay, this is a correct. All is a fully defined, all is a black color, this means is a fully defined, and this is a correct. But some is correct, okay, perfect, and select a revolve boss base, and okay, this is a perfect, and click ok. And this some okay, this document property and image quality is very high because all is perfect, and again this is a correct, and select a this plane is white, this is a correct. Next is drawing this is a perfect, and this is a very nice, and 28 millimeter is offset is correct, okay. 28 millimeter is okay, at first 28 millimeter and this thickness is 20 millimeter is correct. At first create a plane is this, and 28 millimeter and flip side, and this is a perfect, okay. This plane is select here and sketch normal, drawing a hexagon. Hexagon is this, okay, and mention and select a relation. This is a vertical, and this is the distance is a 35.6, okay. This is a perfect, okay. Okay, 35.6, okay, because this is a 35.6 is better, and all is correct, okay. This is a perfect, and okay, exit and click extrude boss. Extrude boss is this thickness is a 20 millimeter and direction is reverse, okay. This is a perfect, and this plane is hide because this board is looking perfect, okay. Again select a front plane and sketch normal, drawing this, okay. This is a drawing here, and at first select a drawing a circle is a this diameter is 9.2 and this distance is 8.2, okay. This is a cutout 6.2, okay, and this distance is a, and this is distance is okay. This is a 32 offset, okay. At first drawing a this, and okay, this is a perfect, and 9 this 9.2, okay, and this distance is a 8.2, okay, and this is a not defined, and this point select, press a control button, and this is a vertical, okay. This is a correct. Extrude boss, okay. This is a correct, and this offset is a 32 millimeter and reverse direction, okay. Direction is okay, but this is a up to surface, and surface is this, this is a perfect, okay. Correct, okay. All is correct, and this is a cutout is, and this is a hole is created here, and this is a cutout means this is a use a 18.22 millimeter and is a 5.8 millimeter, and this is a 45-degree angle and 3.54 millimeter and 9.2 millimeter. Okay, and this is a 16 millimeter is correct. At first select a right plane and use a okay, this is a front plane, not correct, right plane is better, and okay, this is a perfect. A line is created here, this midpoint to this, okay, and drawing a this to this, okay, this is a correct, mention here this to this, and okay, select a this is a correct, and okay, this is a use a this, okay, this is a perfect, and use this line is select, and this, okay, and this to this is a collinear, this to this, okay, and again select this collinear, and this point is this, and use a this to connect this, okay, and select this line, select this to this is a collinear, and again select this line to this line is a collinear, okay, and this is not correct, delete here, and again select this connect to this to this to this, okay, and this is a delete here, but okay, okay, and at first select 18.2, okay, this is 18.2 and 5.8 and 16 millimeter, and okay, 3.2 mention here, this is 18.2, point this to this, okay, at first this line is a construction line, this point to this is a, okay, delete here, this point to this line is a 18.2, okay, okay, this is a perfect 18.2, and again select this is a correct, and this point to this is a 5.7, okay, this is a 5.8 is correct, 5.8 is correct, and this point to this 9.6 is better, guys. This point is a 9.2 is some missing point, is a 9.6 is better, and 45-degree angle, okay. this is distance is this point to this. Okay, again select this distance is a correct. This point to, okay, this point to this line is a distance is a 3.45 is better, and 3.54. okay, 3.54 is correct, and this angle is 45-degree angle is correct. Okay, all is, and this is a 16 millimeter is correct. Okay, all is a fully defined. All is black color means this is a fully defined, and this is a correct, and all is looking perfect 16 millimeter, and all is correct. And use a extrude revolve cut is perfect, and all is correct, blind and 360-degree angle, and all is correct. Okay, this point is very important. Bodies to keep, all bodies to keep. Okay, this is a perfect, and right plane and use a normal, and this is a section view. Click OK. This is a perfect. Okay, this face is a, again drawing a circle. Circle is this center, and use a, this is 6.2 is better, and use a this point is 6.2 is cut out. Okay, and use a extrude cut, and use up to next. This is a correct. Okay, all point is perfect, and use this, and all is perfect, and use a, okay, and one important point is discuss your thread. Thread is cut out, and use a thread, and thread is a, this is a length 28 millimeter, pitch 2 millimeter, and M26. Okay, at first select this, okay, and use a metric to die. Use a M26. M26 is correct, and not M27 is also better. Okay, M27 is correct, and okay, all is perfect, and this is a length is 28, and this offset is 2 millimeter, and direction is a, this is a upward direction, and all is perfect, 28, and metric. Okay, click OK. This is a perfect, and use a color. Color is this, black color means this is a correct. Okay, all is looking perfect. Okay, and this is a metal. Metal is a, this is a correct. Okay, metal is a chromium bronze. Okay, brush is a, and use a carbon is apply here. This is a perfect, and section B is also, this is a better, and okay, this is a correct, and this is a, okay, and select a color. Color is this, Okay, this is a perfect, and isometric view is also better, and this is a correct. Okay guys, all is complete here, and guys, I hope you will learn all process is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.